Hi, I'm Miriam with Dorman Products, here to talk to you today about our Builder Series line of electrical parts. Electrical is a building block of a car and a staple item in an auto parts store. Dorman's Conduct-Tite line has been available in auto parts stores for decades and offers affordable electrical components and tools, and Builder Series is our newer line of more premium products for more experienced customers aiming for the best possible wiring job. These products offer a lot of variety, featuring an array of useful products to someone doing electrical work, be it a pro or a discriminating DIYer. You'll find terminals, connectors, loom, grommets, sockets, and more. Builder Series contains hand-picked items that were previously only available from special order electrical suppliers, further driving a wedge between the upmarket electrical customer and the items on the shelf at the local parts store. So let's start at the humble terminal. The standard grade electrical terminals you have in your store, for instance, probably feature color-coded hard vinyl insulation. Most professionals will avoid this method of wire protection, cutting it off and replacing it with heat shrink for a neater appearance, better insulation, and narrower wire, making fishing and fitting into looms easier. Builder Series terminals come uninsulated. They're color-coded for easy identification, but without the tedious hassle of removing the vinyl insulation. These terminals come as spade terminals, ring terminals, and butt connectors. Further, the pre-cut sections of heat shrink included in every box also save the time of cutting individual sections. It doesn't seem like a huge time saver, but doing both terminals in a harness or harness sub-assembly takes up quite a bit of time that can add up. The shrink also contributes to a neat appearance and prevents purchasing incorrectly sized heat shrink or running out in the middle of a job. You can also sell these terminals in a convenient assortment, as many of your customers will purchase these before they need them for a specific wiring task. And we also offer the heat shrink in a kit as well, in common sizes and a few different colors so wires and shrink match. Another item in the line are grommets. These are unsung heroes. The grommet helps improve the appearance of a hole that might be visible passing through a part of the vehicle, like a firewall, or through a component like the body of a light. Believe it or not, these are also a safety item. Powered wires passing through the chassis, which can often serve as ground, can lead to a short circuit if the insulation on the wiring becomes broken or chafed. These are a leading cause of vehicle fires. We have many single-hole options as well as dual-hole, as well as a convenient assortment tray. Note these come with the centers intact so the grommet can be custom fit by the installer for the wires passing through. It's a nice touch you won't find on lesser quality products. Another premium Builder Series product you should be familiar with are our ceramic sockets. Certainly you're familiar with the various harnesses and pigtail repair kits your customers look for. On the lighting circuit, headlights can be among the highest draw items on a vehicle. The heavy draw, coupled with the natural corrosion that occurs as a vehicle ages, can lead to higher resistance that manifests itself through weaker lights and melted harnesses. Our ceramic harnesses can take the heat. Even in overcurrent or heavy draw situations, high-grade ceramic won't melt and even keeps its appearance. Speaking of harnesses, we also offer some slick male and female pigtail sets that allow harness service and easy accessory removal and repair. The harnesses can be added to any 1 through 6 wire run of wiring for a finished factory appearance. Bridging the gaps between advanced wiring products and techniques are tools. Builder Series tools aren't a full line, but instead are a carefully curated selection of items that perform at a level above standard grade automotive wiring tools. There are standard crimpers that become trusted friends in no time flat, as well as a heavy-duty, large-gauge hammer crimper that's easy to use, effective, and produces professional results easily. Tools like this have traditionally been very hard to source in normal channels available to counter staff, but Dorman's changed all that. Our micro cutters are perfect for trimming wire ties, and our battery cable cutter is good at the other end of the spectrum for really heavy-duty trimming. Take a look at dormanproducts.com to stay ahead of new products we've developed that are truly a cut above. The Builder Series really is unparalleled in terms of quality, so you can be confident in recommending parts that are really special that many of your customers may not have even been aware of and will make wiring a bit more pleasant. And remember, if you need any help before, during, or after the sale, our Dorman technical support team is always available to help. Give them a call at 866-933-2911. Thanks for taking a little time to brush up on our Builder Series. We hope it helps you and your customers. I'm Miriam, and I'll see you next time.